So the question here is, again it is a very easy question, but फिर भी आप the question which I am writing here, that was also asked in the CBSE examination, that is CBSE All India Pre-Medical Test. So this is one square, this is one square, and this is a point A, which is in between. This is a point A. We can say this is the midpoint of this side, and this distance is L. This distance is L, and this is a square. So there are 4 charges placed at the corners of this square, like this. And this is the point A. So you have to find the electric potential at point A. Electric potential at the point A. ये क्या होगा? This is what you have to find, and there are 4 options given here. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2q upon L in bracket 1 plus 1 divided by root 3. Sorry, not root 3, root 5. And then the second option is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2q upon L, 2q or 1 minus 1 divided by root 5. 1, and third option is 0. Fourth option is 2q upon L in bracket 1 plus root 5. So you have to find the value of the electric potential at this point A, which is the midpoint of this side, and this is a square. So the length of each side will be equal to 2L, है ना?
Yes.
बस आपको इस पॉइंट के ऊपर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल निकालना है, बिकॉज ड्यू टू दीज 4 चार्जेस which are placed at the corners of this square. So this question was also asked in the CBSE All India Pre-Medical Test. CBSE All India Pre-Medical Test in the year 2011.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So क्वेश्चन बहुत आसान है. आपको हिंट चाहिए तो मैं आपको हिंट दे सकता हूँ, अगर इफ यू रिक्वायर, अदरवाइज देने की जरूरत है नहीं वैसे. ठीक है. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज यू हैव टू डू दीज क्वेश्चन इन अ कपल ऑफ मिनट्स. 1 मिनट से भी, मतलब 2 मिनट से ज़्यादा आपको टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए, बिकॉज 45 क्वेश्चन आते हैं 45 मिनट्स में. आप देख लो
सर वो हिंट
हिंट दे दूं आपको, चलो देखो देखो, पोटेंशियल क्या है? पोटेंशियल इज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी, ये तो आपको पता ही है. सो व्हेनेवर वी हैव टू फाइंड द पोटेंशियल एट अ सर्टेन पॉइंट, ठीक है, सो वी हैव टू व्हाट, वी विल ऐड द पोटेंशियल विद ए प्रॉपर साइन. प्रॉपर साइन का मतलब क्या है? इट विल बी द अलजेब्रिक सम, है ना. द पोटेंशियल एट एनी पॉइंट इज द अलजेब्रिक सम of the potential due to the individual charges at that point. Algebraic sum के मतलब क्या है? If the charge is negative, then the potential will be what? It will be minus k q upon r square. If the charge is positive, then it will be k q upon r square. ठीक है ना? So the potential at any point is the algebraic sum of the electric potential due to the individual charges at that point. तो अभी आपको इसकी वजह से निकालना है, let's say प्लस क्यू. तो प्लस क्यू की वजह से आपका algebraic ये पोटेंशियल क्या हो जाएगा at this point A?
KQ by R.
That is K. यहाँ पे K नहीं लेंगे because here we have to this K is basically K is that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught if the charges are placed in free space. ठीक है ना? If the charges are placed in free space, then K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So we are assuming that these charges are placed in free space. So due to this plus Q charge, the potential will be equal to, let us say I'm just taking this as point A, B, C. No, here it is A. So we will be taking that as B, C, D and E. ठीक है? So the potential at this point A due to this charge at B, let us say we are just denoting this potential as VB. This will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon L, है ना?
Yes sir.
अब क्या करेंगे? इसका भी हो जाएगा because of this charge plus Q कितना हो जाएगा? Let us say this is VE.
1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by L.
This will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon L. Now you have to find the potential due to this charge minus Q and this minus Q. So what you have to do? You have to simply find this distance. This one which I have just made with the help of this dotted line. आपको ये निकालना है ना?
Yes.
So you have to find this distance. ये आप distance निकाल लीजिए. This is 2L, this is L, so you can easily find the distance AC and this distance AD, and both these distances will be equal.
Root 5L.
ये कितना हो जाएगा? 4L square plus 5L square, that is equal to 5L square. So this will be equal to L root 5. Similarly, this will also be equal to L root 5.
Yes.
Now the potential due to this charge, that is minus Q. Let us say this is VC. This will be equal to minus, because this is a minus. This is a negative charge. The potential will be equal to epsilon naught and L. L will be equal to what? This is the length. L root 5. ठीक है?
Yes sir.
Now VC हो गया. Now the potential due to this charge minus Q, which is placed at D. So this is I am just denoting this as VD. This will be equal to, again the potential will be minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught L root 5. ठीक है?
Yes.
हो गया? So क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है?
The electric potential at point A.
हाँ. So what you are here? So the electric potential at this point A will be the algebraic. It is the algebraic sum of the electric potential due to the individual charges. तो ये जो आपके है ना VB, VE, VC and VD, you have to add it up now. इसको आप ऐड कर दीजिए. ऐड करने के बाद देखिए क्या आंसर आ रहा है. यहाँ पर ये हो जाएगा, सॉरी यहाँ पर हो जाएगा आपको Q, Q लिखना भूल गया मैं, है ना,
Yes, sir.
यहाँ Q लिखना भूल गया मैं, या
So it's a common you will get 1
हाँ,
by
इस-
4 pi epsilon.
हाँ, this will be common, that is Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught L will be common, ठीक है, and then simply in the bracket you will be getting what, 1 plus 1 minus 1 by root 5 minus 1 by root 5, है ना, यही होगा in the bracket, this will be the common, ये common हो जाएगा,
Yes.
and in the bracket you will be
Yes.
getting this value. तो क्या हो जाएगा ये, इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 2 प्लस 2, 1 plus 1 is 2 and this is what, minus 1 by root 5 minus 1 by root 5, so this will be equal to what, minus 2 upon root 5, है ना,
Yes, sir.
ये देखिए यहाँ पर this one,
Especially 2 also we can take
हाँ, and then 2 can be taken out because 2 is common,
1.
so हाँ, so you will be getting what, 2 is
1 minus 1 by
1 minus 1 upon root 5, ठीक है, because 2 can be taken out, this is common, so finally क्या हो गया, आंसर कितना हो जाएगा, that is you have taken this common, that is 1 by
1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2q by L.
हाँ 2Q upon L and in the bracket is 1 minus 1 upon
1
root
by
5,
root 5.
ठीक है, so your answer will be what, I think B,
Option B.
option B. Now let us question number 22. Question number 22. Yes, the correct option is B. ठीक है,
Yes.
हाँ. So so the most important thing in the case of this electric potential is that the potential at any point is the algebraic sum of the electric potential due to the individual charges. And what is the meaning of algebraic sum? The meaning of algebraic sum is that if the charge is negative, then the potential will be negative. Means you will be putting a minus sign here. If the charge is positive,
Yes.
then then you don't have to put any negative sign. So it will be what? Plus Q means you don't have to write this plus sign. So in that case, the potential will be positive. ठीक है?
Yes.
And simply you have to add it up. That is, what is addition? Addition will be algebraic addition, algebraic sum. ठीक है? Algebraic sum. Algebraic sum के मतलब होता है with a proper sign. Proper sign means negative charge होगा तो negative potential, positive charge होगा तो positive potential, and then add all these potentials to get the final potential at that point. तो ये तो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, अच्छा वन मोर थिंग, पोटेंशियल इज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी, ये भी आपको ध्यान में रखना है. इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड क्या है? दैट इज अ
Vector.
वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स क्या है? दैट इज आल्सो ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी.
Vector.
ठीक है. सो this was so I have taken these three questions which were asked in the CBSE All India Pre-Medical Test for this session. In the next session we will start with the capacitance, but at the same time in the next session I will be also you have in the last test I think I have given you how many questions? 10 questions.
Yes. Sir.
I think as far as I remember you have done almost 8 questions correctly. जहाँ तक मेरे को याद है, there are 2 questions in which you have made some small mistakes. So we will be discussing about those 2 questions in the session on Monday.
Yes.
ठीक है? And
Okay.
and after that we will move on to the next topic of capacitance. ठीक है?
Yes.
So अभी
Yes.
टाइम कितना हो गया? So
8:30.
it's almost 11 o'clock. So it's better that we start this session, that is this topic of capacitance on Monday, because because right now it's 11 o'clock here. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो इसमें बेटर रहेगा कि हम लोग मंडे को इसी कैपेसिटेंस को स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है?
Yes.
हाँ, तो ठीक है, फिर चलते हैं, ठीक है? टेक केयर, बाय।
Yes. Bye, sir.